Okay, so everybody, as this part 5, I want to show you how to select, record or information from the database table MySQL. So we go to create file select. Okay, and now I want to create a file select.php. Yes, we create the actual statement select. We use variable id from MySQL table. Number bigger than 0. Zero, we output the data. It's 0. Okay, was. Yes, we want to use row to get the row array from num from the first associates. First name, last name. Then we want to break a HTML. Okay, when our eyes already, we save. So we go to the browser and I want to run. Yeah, we want to refresh. Okay, I click the select.php. So number try to get property none object. Yeah, we go to coding again. Okay, oh yes, last name. Okay, so I want to press again. We want to refresh. undefined the last name. Oh, sorry, last name. Okay, I want to save. We refresh again. Okay, so right now we read the records 3 from the database, ID 4, 6, and 5 and 6. Yeah, this is the record from the database. Okay, right now as part 5, I want to finish in the next time. We want to update the record into the database. Okay, don't forget to follow me in next time, part 6.